This is the settlement section. Here you can view your settlement bank information, request settlements, and view your settlement history. Settlement bank information is automatically filled when you submit your KYC, as this info is required as part of your KYC. You can add your settlement bank info from here if you have not submitted your KYC yet. But please note that your KYC must be approved before settlements can begin. KYC approval is completed usually within 24 hours, but may take up to 5 days, depending on the volume of requests. Here, you can proceed to withdraw the available final settlement amount. Settlements are processed on or before the Friday of the week following the week of your settlement request. Minimum amount for processing withdrawal is $100. And this is your settlement history.